So I'm in the cellar, and today's plan is we're about to go on a bike ride with a friend of mine, but issue being the bike has a flat tire. So we're gonna fix that real quick before we go out, because obviously I don't wanna go ride the bike with this little air. I definitely have a puncture somewhere, because it was filled up and I kind of lost all the air. So let's do that now. Maybe you'll be able to hear this. It's got a little tiny hole right about here. I can barely make it out myself. It is right in between my fingers there. No, you can actually see this. Yeah, so this is the little hole where the issue is. Oh well. So the tube goes into the bin. We'll put in a new one. So there's actually a couple of places in this mantle where thorns have kind of penetrated the mantle, which would be an issue in future rides, I think, because it's all the way through. Now the problem is getting those little bastards out of there, because obviously they tend to break, but you know, that should be good enough. Yeah, so one little thing that I can tell you, if you do ride your bike and you have a puncture, always check the mantle. If there's anything in there, just like, you know, just go through, feel the inside and see if there's anything sticking out at that point. Right here, yeah, there we go. Let's see if I can show you this. Right here is a little thing that's sticking out. Not sure if that is visually there as well, but right there is a little bastard. There we go. Now you can see it, I think. Right? Yeah. So yeah, just go around the mantle and obviously make sure you get all of those bastards out, because they will ruin your next ride. Yeah, things like these tiny little thingies, little bastards that screw up your rides. Make sure you get all of those and invest in a new sheath, because this used to be a mountain bike sheath, but as you can tell, there isn't much left anymore. Alrighty, that should be. Why is the autofocus never working, I swear. That's the bike. I've just realized there's another massive, like, clamp, nail in my bike tire. That is bad news. Perfect. It works again.
Ende des Lebens.
Ja.